I have here a box from Mike Mason. Yeah. And I've got the heater on in the background because it's really cold tonight. Yeah. We should be having milder weather soon, so I don't have to run the heater because I know the audio is better without the heater. So, what do we have here? We got a letter from Mike. Let's see. Let's see. Okay, I think it's family friendly. It says, if what you make doo-doo with becomes a purple point, is it also pee-pee? Okay. I said I do okay. Rate my point. No need to send back. Both green hides are as I received them. Hope they are in good condition. Lastly, there is a spatula type pressure flaker and all that kind of good stuff. Okay. Let me see. What is it? It is well wrapped. I am freezing for some reason. Man. I think the temperature dropped like 10 degrees in the last hour. Goodness. Anyways, I hope it warms up in here. Oh, let's see. Oh gosh, I'm gonna go to bed soon too. Dang. I'm already falling asleep and I'm freezing. Okay, so this is a green glass point. Alright. I gotta make sure, since it doesn't have a label on it, I got to make sure I don't get it mixed up with something else, with someone else's stash. Okay, so let me take some time here and put a note. Where's my pen? I need it. Don't got it. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Put it over in my box of things that I received. Little things that I received. I got a bunch of little things that I've received. Small items. Small in size, large in value. Okay. Where am I here? This is a tab to pull. Yay. Okay. This is good packing material. I'm going to save it. Yeah. Okay. Where? What? There's no pull tab on this one? Okay, let's see. I'm wondering what this is. Hold on. There's static cling. I can't get rid of it. Oh, dang. I hope this nap's okay because sometimes these are tempered glass. Yeah, which makes it very difficult to nap. But I will hold out hope. I will be hopeful that that'll nap well. Okay, so there's a spatula tool. Yes. It looks glued in. Yeah. Yay. Add it to the collection over there. What is this? Oh, these are the hides? Yes. These are the hides. I can't expose these too much because I'm allergic, but I want to see. Uh-huh. Good. Yes. All right. So that's what I got. I don't know. Is there anything else? Let me check the letter again since I didn't read it fully. Oops. I don't want to expose the addresses because it'll expose or endanger the innocents. Let's see. Lastly, there's a spatula type pressure flaker. Okay. I use this for more than notches. 3/8 mild tool steel for robustness, so you can use it on chert. I hope I made it large enough for you to get a good purchase on it. I usually use this first off after ishi stick, wall breaking, and thinning. Thank you for all you do for us. Oh, you're welcome, welcome. Thank you. Thank you for the gifts. Ah, yes. Where is the spatula tool? It's a 1/4 inch. Yeah, that's heavy duty enough. Yeah. Yeah, I'll keep it. I'll be using it. Alrighty. Thank you very much. Thanks, Mike.